Hey, what's up, guys? I'm just doing a quick review on the iLife Robotic Vacuum Cleaner V3 Pro. That's a mouthful to say, but let's get on with it. Alright, so this is the iLife Vacuum Cleaner. It's got a little bag in it where it collects, or not bag, but this is the waste that it picks up. Pretty easy to just pop out of there. It's got a couple of wheels on the bottom. One there, and this is like its little suction tube. It's got this little sensor right here. It's got these bristles. These bristles can be replaced interchangeably with newer, better ones. All you got to do is pop out that screw right there. It comes with the remote. And let's see, where did I put that? Oh, there it is. All right. So this is the remote here. It's kind of a basic one. It also comes with charging station there. So let's say you've got your vacuum cleaner out and about and you want it to go home, you would click, oops, the batteries die? Looks like the batteries died. Whoops. Alright, you would click the home button. Oh, well, I pushed the play button. That should have... Alright, so if you push the play button there, that will get it to actually start vacuuming. I set up this little dust pile here so the vacuum, we can demonstrate how good the vacuum does. I emptied this out right before starting this video. I should be able to click the home button now. See? And then it will know figure out its way home there. I'm not sure if this thing has a memory to remember where it's been. Be nice if it did. This is the same kind of motion that it makes as it's cleaning. You could also take over completely with these arrows here. Let's see if... Oh, I think it's figuring out where it's going, maybe? Yep. Alright, so the guy's heading home now. Oh, it's going right through the dust pile. I'm gonna have to set that up again. But yeah, you'll see, click the home button, it will, oh my god, what is it doing? Oh, never mind. It's gotta readjust itself. So this little home thing here is its charging station. It will go back to that whenever, oh, I probably shouldn't have put my finger in the way of that. It will go back to that whenever it's done cleaning, or whenever you turn it to clean. You could set it up, program it to clean at certain times. If you would like it to clean at a different time, you could just hit the play button. What I like to do is I will set this up to either start cleaning when I'm away at work, or sometimes when I'm sleeping. I can't remember what I have it set on now, but just for demonstration demonstration purposes, we're just gonna make it start cleaning now. Did that just by pushing the play button. So you can kind of see the little bristles it's got going, spinning pretty quick. It just kind of goes in odd motions and bounces around. I say it does a pretty good job of picking up the area, especially when I had carpet earlier. I've since switched over to this laminate. But I know it was a great help then. We'll kind of see what it all gets this time. Let's see if we can't direct it. It's not wanting to go where I want it to go. So maybe I'll just pick it up and move it right in front of this pile here. I want you to go that way. Let's see how it does there. Yeah, it did a pretty good job, I would say. Looks like it's circling back. Whenever it detects a bunch of area that it needs to clean, it'll start doing that circling motion instead of just going in straight linear lines. It can't really pick up large objects like that. You have to pick those up yourself. I believe the iLife also makes ones that mop and other types. This isn't as good as the ones that have like full detection and lasers that scan the entire room. This one just kind of bounces around at random, but for the price, it's a really good introductory type robot vacuum, especially if you're just kind of wanting something to pick up when you're gone. And if you're like me, you don't like vacuuming. I hate vacuuming. Hate sweeping, hate vacuuming. And why sweep or vacuum when you could have a robot do it for you? So I know it's picked up a little bit of stuff. We can go ahead and hit the pause button. That'll stop it, and then you push on that there. That opens this up, and we can kind of see what all the vacuum picked up. So yeah, look at that. I would say that's a considerable amount. I have dogs, so they like to shed a bunch of hair. So I mean, in that short period of time, it got a good amount of stuff. It's kind of gross to think all that was on my floor and I couldn't even really see it. That all just pops back in there. I've had this thing for a while. Battery life is excellent. I've had no issues with the battery going out or any like long-term issues. One issue that I have come across is it can get stuck in certain parts of the house. So if you're away for a while, you might come home and you might find it stuck somewhere. But other than that, this is a great little device to have, especially if you're just getting into robot vacuums. It's a good introductory one. What kind of vacuums do you guys have? Let me know in the comment section. Like, subscribe, and check out some of my other videos. Until then, I'll see you next time.